What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the brand new Car Parking Multiplayer 2 update, version 1.3.3.1. And I have to say, this update brings some pretty exciting changes. The biggest change has to be the off-road area. The developers completely revamped the location, giving it a much more realistic and immersive feel. The roads, terrain, and overall environment look much better than before, making off-road driving a lot more enjoyable. Another feature players have been waiting for is finally here, rain. That's right, the game now includes rainy weather conditions, which adds a whole new level of realism. One thing I did notice, though, is that the interior windshield wipers don't appear to be working yet. Hopefully that's something the developers plan to add in a future update. They've also made changes to the drivetrain system. Instead of the previous setup, we now have a 4x4 Gearbox system that allows you to switch drive modes when needed. This should make off-road driving much more versatile and give players better control depending on the terrain. The air suspension system has also received some updates, and there are new steering assist options available for players who use tilt steering. Now, speaking personally, I use tilt steering all the time, and the new physics feel a little different to me. The sensitivity seems slightly miscalibrated compared to previous versions, so it'll probably take some time to get used to. Hopefully we see some adjustments in future patches. Of course, that's not all. The update also introduces new vehicles, new character poses, and several other features that I'm still discovering. There's definitely a lot packed into this update, and I'll be covering more of it in upcoming videos. Speaking of new vehicles, I went ahead and purchased the brand new Ford F650. If you're interested in that truck, stay tuned because I'll have a dedicated video coming very soon. Be prepared though, the price tag is around 5,000 coins. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite part of the update is so far. Are you enjoying the new off-road map, the rain effects, the updated suspension, or the new vehicles? If you enjoyed this video and want to see more Car Parking Multiplayer 2 content, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.